Hey guys, remember when I smashed that Pokeball toy? Well, today I'm going to be smashing paper technology. Today is the Macintosh SE. I also was gonna show off my paper iBook G3 clamshell, but I'll do it once I find my iBook G3 clamshell. But let's get to the destruction. As you can see, it's done pretty good after 1 minute. Let's go to the trampoline and see the effects. Let's go to the trampoline and see the effects on what happens to the MacBook. That make a great comedy. Oof. This is gonna hurt for the Macintosh. Ooh. Let's see. Damaged day. I cracked the screen already. Don't need to know. I think that speaker is busted. Ooh, see a little bit of that. I do love Apple, but they need to improve on this. They need to release this better. I need better film options. I need something to record for me. But I'm having a hard time thinking what should that be. Aha. I should just record it for myself. All right, Macintosh. I don't think I'm dealing any. That's a lot of damage. Huh? I need to do it. to destruction. Now, I don't know any other way to destroy it than the foot test. The foot test is when I go into the trampoline and jump on it a lot. It's what we like to call it in new board smashing. I'm also going to be smashing an iBook G3 clamshell soon. Don't worry, I bought 2 iBook G3 clamshells. One that I'm going to show off, and one that I am going to destroy. And what's up for that video? Oh yeah, and I forgot to tell you, 20 subs and I'll smash the Nokia 3310. Okay. I accidentally dropped the camera. Oof. Apple should make stronger technology than this. But overall, let's get back to the math test. You know what test I'm talking about. That's wrapping it up. Don't know how that will destroy it. Yep, I broke the screen. I made it aware that I actually tried to pick it up from here, and then I accidentally did this. Crack the screen some more.
What did the floor ever do to you?
I'm beating up this Macintosh.
What did the floor ever do to you, man?
I'm beating up the Macintosh.
What's the Macintosh? You tell me.
This.
Oh, all right. Go ahead and beat it up.
It's an old piece of technology anyway. Oh, I tried to pick it up with the mat and yeah, I accidentally ripped it more. This vintage computer is already beaten up. Let's beat it up some more. But I didn't expect that damage. done way too much to this Mac. I mean, look at the screen. It's a little bit cracked and surviving. I heard when the Macintosh cracks, I'm gonna try to break this drive too. It looks like I'm beating up nothing, right? I'm doing the iBook G3 clamshell as a bonus smash. That's well, didn't beat up this drive, so let's do it now with this. I tripped on the back. Now, I was gonna include a hammer in this episode, but I lost it. So I'll maybe feature it on the next episode of Board Smashing. Man, our pool looks better than last time I filmed in here. Last time the pool was dirty and almost full until it charged out, and then we wanted to clean it so bad. But let's flip it over. No need for those lines. You know what? Screw it. I'll do it first. I have better aim in there. Wait, does the disk drive still work? Oh wait, oh. I forgot I have no key. I used to have a keyboard and mouse, but I said, man, I want to destroy this, so I'll destroy the keyboard and mouse before I destroy this on camera. But it still works. Let's hit it. You know what? Let's do this. Playing Rocky 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this is what I'm smashing. Hold up. But the screen broke. The screen broke right there, like that. I'm gonna try to flip it. Well, let's just do the feet test even more. my way. I forgot that bat was loud when I. Woo! I am having so much fun. Oh, now I want to dance. Wait, I heard a rip. I think it was from the Macintosh. Do you think it was from the Macintosh? Let's check. Yep. The screen tore apart. I was thinking about an intro for both smashing. Now I think I introduced this, but